называется наша родина?
Азербайджан!
Правильно. А вы знаете, кто враги Азербайджана? Кто наши враги?
Армения!
This is a kindergarten in Azerbaijan, a country where hatred and enmity towards Armenians is being installed in children starting from this age. For decades, the Azerbaijani authorities have been carrying out purposeful anti-Armenian propaganda, radicalizing their society and trying to consolidate around it by creating the image of an enemy. From a young age, a revanchist ideology towards Armenians is being installed throughout the country. This is a unique tool of self-affirmation for the Baku authorities, who are also trying to maintain their power in this way, blaming Armenians for all of their failures. Azerbaijan's anti-Armenian regime has succeeded. For example, according to opinion polls, in 2011, 94% of Azeris and 91% in 2012 considered Armenians as the country's biggest enemy. The research was conducted by the Caucasian Analytical Digest. And in this video, it can be observed how Azeris learn Armenian and how they talk about Armenians. And this child, who has just started talking, is already full of anti-Armenian sentiments. It seems that the adults have struggled for a long time to make him memorize the text. The manifestations of anti-Armenianism in Azerbaijani textbooks can be found on the Azeri Child website. Here it is possible to find the expression of hatred towards Armenians in the textbooks of all subjects and for all grades. For example, on page 63 of the third grade textbook Recognize the World, it is stated that the territory where the Republic of Armenia is located historically belongs to the Azerbaijani Turks. In the fourth grade Russian language textbook, we can read how, for centuries, the Azerbaijani people have suffered from the harassment of Armenians. In December 2014, Yeni Musavat newspaper wrote that anti-Armenianism has become a nationwide occupation in Azerbaijan. The newspaper wrote that the hatred of Armenians in Azerbaijan has reached such a level that in order to live peacefully in that country, it is enough to simply accuse someone of being Armenian or having an Armenian position. Moreover, no evidence is needed. It is possible to simply blame a person and become a favorite of the government. Azerbaijan's anti-Armenian policy is not a secret for the international community either. The most striking example was the criminal Ramil Safarov, who axed Armenian officer Gurgen Markaryan while the latter was sleeping and was welcomed with great enthusiasm in his native Baku, earning the title of a hero. According to the European Commission Against Racism and Intolerance, Armenians are the most vulnerable group in Azerbaijan in the field of racism and racial discrimination.
Azerbaycan düşmanı!